Windows 11 looks modern, but it hides settings, removes useful features, and slows you down. What if I told you there is one free tool that brings back everything Microsoft removed? Hello everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Solution. Today I will show you how to fix the most annoying Windows 11 changes and restore classic features using one free tool called ExplorerPatcher. By the end of this video, we will restore the classic right-click menu, the Windows 10 taskbar, the full file explorer ribbon, the real start menu, faster search, and even move the taskbar to the top. And here is the quick notes. Some features will be restored automatically right after you install ExplorerPatcher without any extra customization. Let's start with the setup. Download ExplorerPatcher from the official website. I will put this website on the description part. After you go to the website, you will see here the version of the ExplorerPatcher. The latest version will be at the top. By the time I have recorded this video, the latest release was on November 4. You'll see some descriptions about the app, and when you go down on the asset part, you'll see the exe files. So let's download the EP setup exe file. After you download it, go to the download folder and let's install it. The installation is done. So to take the effect of the app installation, please restart your PC. First, let's restore the full right-click menu. One of the most frustrating changes in Windows 11 is the simplified right-click menu. It hides your tools, forces you to click more options, and it breaks apps like WinRAR, 7-Zip, and Git. To fix this, open ExplorerPatcher, go to your taskbar and right-click, then choose Properties, then go to File Explorer here and disable the Windows 11 context menu. The default is already selected while we install the app. So while we go to Explorer and when we check the right-click functionality, you will see the full Windows right-click menus. Instantly, the full Windows 10 right-click menu is back. The second feature is to move the Start button back to the left. Windows centered the Start button by default. So to change the Start menu style to Windows 10 and move it back to the screen edge, follow the steps. Open ExplorerPatcher, go to Start menu. Here the default option of the Start menu style is Windows 10 while we install the app. So the Start menu style will be changed to Windows 10. And to set the Start menu options at the screen edge, those options to move to the screen edge, just go to this setting and under the position on screen part, change to at screen edge. Then to take the effect, restart the File Explorer here. Now the Start menu options will go to the screen edge. Your Start button go back exactly where your hand expected. The third feature is to bring back the Windows 10 taskbar. Windows 11 remove toolbars, ungrouping, labels, and proper right-click menus. ExplorerPatcher will restore all of it. On ExplorerPatcher, go to Taskbar, and the default style of the taskbar is Windows 10. So while we click on the taskbar, now you will get proper ungrouping, toolbars, full right-click menus, short stop button, and a real system clock. Feature 4 is Restore Full File Explorer ribbon. Windows 11 replaced the File Explorer ribbon with a stripped-down row of icons. To fix this, go to ExplorerPatcher, then File Explorer. Then under Control Interface, click on the drop-down lists and choose Windows 10 ribbon. Then restart File Explorer. And now, while we go to File Explorer, when we check the right-click ribbons, we'll see all the options. And option 5, restore the real system tray. If your Windows 11 system tray feels slow or inconsistent, fix it like this. Go to ExplorerPatcher, then System Tray, and now enable the Skin Taskbar. Here you see the default is already enabled, so now you see the battery, the Wi-Fi, the volume icons, and the control center is back to Windows 10 features. And option 6 is to move taskbar to the top. Windows doesn't allow this natively, but ExplorerPatcher does. Open ExplorerPatcher, then go to taskbar, set primary taskbar location on screen to top. Then restart File Explorer. You see the taskbar will go to the top of the screen. Feature 7 is make Windows search fast again. Windows 11 search is noticeably slower. Here is how to restore the classic fast search. Open ExplorerPatcher, then go to File Explorer. Here the default is disable modern search bar. So the app already done this feature and you are done. And that is it, how you restore everything Microsoft removed from Windows 11 using ExplorerPatcher. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is struggling with Windows 11. More Windows tips and fixes are coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.